Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, my topic today is about how to apply for a job. I've been wanting to do a video about applying for a job for a long time now, but it's not till today that I decided to do it. So I'm very excited to tell you guys from my experience and knowledge using the English language how to apply for a job. So especially when you are going to apply for a job in, for example, in the Western part of the world, in, for example, Europe. Let's say you'd wish to apply for a job, for example, to work in the IT or to work as a salesman, any job, actually, any job. So, what is common and what is quite normal, and we can say that it is also a demand, is that you have a CV. A CV is an abbreviation for curriculum vitae, which is the Latin, which is in Latin, curriculum vitae, and we call it a CV. And a CV simply is a document or a piece of paper, nowadays a document with your information on it, your personalia, and your job experience, and also um, your development during the years. So you can add to that some courses you have participated in and many other things. And this CV is just to tell the employer about you, like to know your background information. Where did you study? What kind of studies have you done? Which job experiences do you have? You can also add in your CV what kind of skills do you possess. For example, you know how to work with Word and Excel and other programs. So you may add that to your CV as well. And this will add um, this will make you more attractive for the employer because he or she knows your capabilities more and if you're suitable for the job or not. So it's really important to give this some attention, your CV, and you can find in Google some examples of great CVs. You can choose what to put in it and what to leave behind. But most important is that you use the same format that most of the people are using. And you can add a picture as well of yourself if you find it necessary. So now we've covered the CV part. What is the next step to take in finding a job? That I will discuss with you guys in the next video and see you then.